Hi everyone, glad to be here talking to you today. Wanted to encourage you. I know it seems economically infeasible to do anything in real estate today, but I'm here to give you a little information. In every economic situation, there's always a way to take advantage of real estate. Now I want to talk to first-time homebuyers especially, because if this is your first time buying a house, or if it's your first time if you're moving to another situation where it's your primary residence, you will find that there's an advantage in buying a duplex, a triplex, or a fourplex. And if I tell you the fourplex is the best one, I bet you'd be surprised. Just like a single family home, a multi-unit property up to 4 units can be bought with no money down or low money down, depending on credit score and the situation. So you allow the tenants to make the payments, or to help you make the payments. At least they can make half. And if a triplex, you got 2 people making the payments for you. On a fourplex, you got 3 people making the payments for you, because you need to occupy one of the units. But that's to your advantage. If it's 2 family members who haven't been able to buy a house separately, the 2 of you can have a unit separate of your own, and then still have 2 units to rent out to help you make those payments. There's a lot of advantage in reference to buying a 4-unit property. And then the equity, you build up the equity, and then you're able to use that money to do other things, buy other properties in 2 or 3 years. You make another move, make it to your advantage, no matter what the economy is. So I just want to say again, that multi-unit property can be a great advantage, no matter what the economical state of the country is. No money down or low money down. All right, have a great day. Beverly Shepherd Broker here, BHS Real Estate Services. My information is over there somewhere.